Hey everybody, I'm Lindsey Olson, Zambia brand ambassador. So excited to share with you this tutorial of this super trendy look of a very high and tight bun. So here's what you're going to need to recreate this look. A blow dryer with a concentrator nozzle, a tail comb, as well as a finishing brush. So the soft bristle brush. I'm going to be using the dry sectioning clips, as well as a sleeker iron, flat iron. Products that I'm going to use for most of this look is a high hold thermal spray. So this is high hold thermal spray from Redken. This way I get a really high hold as well as a lot of shine to create this look. So let's get into it.
First, we're going to separate the front from the back. In the back, I'm using a horseshoe shaped section to separate the nape from the rest of the hair. So the nape is separate from the back. In that back, I'm using Redken's high hold thermal spray, spraying it section by section. Now I'm blow drying it in using the Zambia styling brush, keeping the hair really close to the head as I'm blow drying it in. The combination of this brush with this technique gives the most sleek, tight, and high polish finish. Gathering all the hair together, and I'm using elastic cord to do what's called a butcher's knot. This is really easy for you to do yourself as well as the guests to take out themselves without having to cut it out. In that nape, blow drying the nape up to where that previous ponytail is. So now I'm blow drying the hair to that previous ponytail and wrapping it together to one ponytail. So now I've made a really tight ponytail in two sections. In the front, I'm isolating a small triangle because I want to leave a center part of detail in the front. Now the sides and a little bit of the top are left over for us to blow dry into the other ponytail. Spraying section by section, Redken high hold thermal spray, and blow drying it in again with the Zambia styling brush. Keeping the brush super close and tight to the head, and following the brush with the blow dryer, this gives you the most control over this technique. You can also take the brush and spray the thermal spray right on top to add even more high polish and shine once you're done blow drying. So I'm just taking that side and wrapping it to one ponytail. Now I'll get to the other side and do the same thing. So section by section, spraying the thermal high hold spray, blow drying it in using the styling brush and pushing the hair close to the scalp for a high polish, tight look. Once I get to these sides, I want to make sure that the sides are going up a little bit from the cheekbones. So looking where the cheekbones are, directing the hair up, this is what's really flattering for the guest. Blow drying and pushing the hair to the scalp with that styling brush back into that one ponytail. Once I have everything together in that last ponytail, I can now brush and combine all the hair together, again using that elastic cord and butcher's knot for maximum control. With this top triangle section, I'm just spraying the brush with that thermal spray and brushing it back to the ponytail, doing each side one at a time to maintain the most tightness and control over the look, and then combining them to that one ponytail all in the back with that elastic cord. Now that we have this one ponytail in the back, what we're going to do is we are going to split that ponytail in two sections. I'm taking one side of the ponytail, I'm spraying Redken spray wax on it, brushing it through, and now I'm going to twist the hair down. So the spray wax gives me a little bit more grip, twisting the hair down, and now I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail. As I wrap the hair around, I want to leave a little bit of the ends out for added detail, securing it with a hairpin. The opposite side, spraying the spray wax, brushing it into the hair, and now I'm twisting the opposite way I did the other section, and I'm wrapping it around in the opposite way as well. This is going to give you much more detail to this look, keeping some ends out as I did on the other side and securing it with a hairpin. Give it a little bit more detail and add the sleeker iron on those ends, and here is our polished bun.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you always subscribe to see the latest in trends and tutorials here at Zambia, and I cannot wait to see you recreate this look.